I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming rights. You must own or have express permission for every asset in your video. Once done, collect proof, contracts, license ID, timestamped emails, and store them where you can quickly retrieve them. Make sure to scan your content with YouTube tools and run a quick content ID check. This reduces surprises later. Do not assume fair use. Instead, document intent and sources so you can explain why the content is cleared if questioned. When uploading, act deliberately. Choose original or properly licensed music and avoid clipped snippets that mimic copyrighted works. Once uploaded, add license details and rights holder contact info in the description so disputes are easier to resolve. Make sure monetization settings match licensing terms, and if necessary, use YouTube's manual claiming or territory block options to restrict regions with known licensing conflicts. This reduces automated flags and helps human reviewers see your intent and permissions clearly, so strikes are less likely. If a claim appears, don't panic. Immediately pull together your proofs and follow YouTube's dispute workflow within the allowed timeframe. Once you file, communicate politely with the claimant and supply license ID or written permission. Many issues resolve via retraction. If the claim continues or a strike is issued, consult legal counsel before submitting a counter notice, because that can have binding consequences. Troubleshooting tip: keep all original files and correspondence. Missing evidence is the most common problem when defending a claim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.